What if I told you that right now a strange object is flying through our solar system at 60 kilometers per second, 600 times faster than the fastest race car on Earth? It's massive, it's mysterious, and it might even be alien technology. Tonight, let's uncover the bizarre case of 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever detected, and possibly the strangest thing humanity has ever seen in space. Just a few months ago, astronomers spotted something unusual on their radar, a blurry dot with a faint tail. At first, it looked like a comet, but the more they studied it, the stranger it became. This object, called 3I Atlas, isn't just another rock drifting through the void. For starters, it's huge, nearly 3 miles wide, larger than Manhattan. And it's traveling on a rare trajectory, perfectly aligned with the plane of our planets. But the real shocker? It's chemistry. Instead of the usual iron we expect from space rocks, 3I Atlas is shedding way more nickel. Something we've never seen before in our own solar system. Now, here's where it gets interesting. 3I Atlas weighs at least 33 billion tons. That's insane mass. And yet, despite losing material, it's not slowing down, not recoiling, not behaving like a normal comet at all. And the speed? A mind-blowing 60 kilometers per second. Think about that. At this pace, it's crossing vast regions of space faster than we could ever imagine. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, one of the world's leading experts on interstellar objects, says we might be looking at something nature alone can't explain. Could it be technological? If you think this is already strange, listen to this. Back in 1977, radio astronomers picked up a signal so strong, so unusual, they literally wrote "wow" on the datasheet. For decades, the "wow" signal has remained one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. Was it natural noise? Or a broadcast from another civilization? Now here's the twist. When scientists trace back 3I Atlas's path, they realize something shocking. The object is coming from nearly the same direction as the "wow" signal. The odds of this being random is 0.6%. Think about that. A strange signal from the stars in 1977. And now, an equally strange object from that very region of space. Coincidence? Or connection? So let us ask the big question, could 3I Atlas actually be a piece of alien technology? Its unusual composition, insane speed, and strange alignment make it a candidate for what Loeb calls a black swan event. Something unexpected that changes our understanding of the universe. Imagine if this isn't a comet at all, but a probe, powered by a reactor strong enough to beam out signals across the galaxy. The energy needed for the "wow" signal matches what a nuclear reactor could produce, exactly the kind of technology we ourselves already use. And if we can do it, why not someone else? Of course, most scientists still lean toward natural explanations. It could just be an exotic type of comet, something formed around a distant star with conditions different from our own. Space is full of surprises, after all. But here's the thing, we don't actually know. Tomorrow, as 3I Atlas makes its closest pass by Mars, multiple orbiters and rovers will snap pictures and collect data. For the first time, we may finally get a clear image of this bizarre visitor. Will it look like just another rock? Or will we see signs of something artificial? This is more than just one comet. It's about what we're prepared for as a species. In the coming decade, powerful observatories like the Vera C. Rubin telescope will detect thousands of interstellar objects. And Avi Loeb has already called on the United Nations to form a committee tasked with studying every one of them. Because what if just one turns out not to be natural? What if it's a message, a probe, or even a relic from a civilization older than ours? Outro, suspenseful closing. 3I Atlas is racing past us right now. Maybe it's just a rock. Maybe it is the smoking gun we've been waiting for in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Either way, the universe has just reminded us of one thing. It's far stranger, far more mysterious, and far more exciting than we can possibly imagine. Stay tuned, because this story is just beginning